What's up guys, I'm Johnny here. Today we have a Surpass Hobby brushless model here. It is a 2435 4 poles and it's a 4800 kV. This is prepared to install into this WPL D12. I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to see how fast this truck can go with this brushless model. Let me put the gas. Perhaps it may go up to 60 km/h. I don't know, so I have to find it out. Before we start this brushless upgrade, last week we received one suggestion in the comments that suggests us to go with a total upgrade with this 30A ESC with the 370 model that we have installed into the truck. Frankly saying, my curiosity tells me that need to find out the speed difference between the stock WPL D12 and a total upgrade 30A ESC with 370 model. Perhaps I will perform a apple-to-apple test with a 2S battery first, then change to use the 3S battery and connect to this ESC and to see the maximum speed of this. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell so that you won't miss any free video from us. Please. Let's start.